Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable stolen device protection on iPhone. First, open Settings on your device and then navigate to Security and Privacy section. Here it is. Let's open it and then let's navigate to the very bottom of this menu until you find the Stolen Device Protection. Switch the toggle to the right next to this feature and then select the security delay. So either enable it by enable it when away from familiar locations or always. Just select the option that you like and confirm it with your Face ID or password. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.